Hey Lou, Chuck Perry here from North Carolina. My question for you is, I have heating and cooling ducts up in my attic, very harsh environment, it's cold up there, it's hot up there. What can I do to improve the performance of those ducts that reside in the attic? Thanks, Lou.
Well, Chuck, professionals would come in and actually wrap that insulation with a duct insulation. It's sort of like a foil-backed insulation that they stick to the metal. But you can actually take batt insulation like this that you can find at a home center and wrap all that ductwork up there. What that's going to do is make sure that the heat doesn't escape up into the attic space, and it's also going to direct more of that warm air into your home, which means you're going to save money on your energy bills. Just make sure that you wear gloves, a mask, and eye protection when doing this project.
Hi Lou, I'm Honor from Michigan, and my question is, what is the best lighting solution for high vaulted ceilings?
Well, Honor, I think that the reason you're asking this is you don't want to get up on a ladder and change those light bulbs. And so the solution for you on that one are LED light bulbs like this. Now, when these first came out, people didn't like them because they were too bright. The light was too harsh. But they've changed the color temperature. So with those recessed cans, you can change to these bulbs and it'll last up to 30,000 hours, which is essentially 20 years. A really nice solution now are these recessed can retrofit trims. This is also an LED light. It's a complete trim and it's dimmable. So you can get any color temperature you want. And because it's LED, it literally will last forever. Here's an email from Diana in Texas. I installed a new kitchen sink and have one edge that is not sitting flat to the countertop. It is not the entire edge, but rather a small section of the short edge. How do I make that edge flat? Well, I wish this was a two-way conversation, Diana, because I have more questions for you. If this is a stainless steel sink, on the bottom, there's a track that's underneath the sink, and there are actually screws that draw that sink down onto the countertop. If that's the type of sink that you have, then you probably need one more fastener underneath that sink and a clip that you screw with a screwdriver to suck the top down onto the countertop. Now, if it's some type of acrylic or cast iron sink, that's a little bit more problematic. What you may do to offset that is add a little caulking, the same color as the sink, to fill that gap, smooth it out, and it should look just fine.